What's up guys, I'm Paul from the Fixbroz, and today I'm going to be reviewing the PlastX Clear Plastic Cleaner and Polish. So basically all you need is an applicator pad and a microfiber towel, and let's see if this actually works the way they describe it does. So let's just shake it up. Pop the lid. Put some on. And now let's just start buffing it in. As you can see, this headlight is really hazed up. So this is a good one to try it on. Okay, so now I've been buffing it for about 5 minutes. So now you just take your microfiber towel, wipe it off, and as you can see, it didn't do it really well. So it's still yellow, and there's still all of this oxidation on it. So if you get your hazed up headlights like this, there's another tricky way to do it. You just take a bottle of clear coat, sand these down, and spray them with the clear coat, and it's gonna make them crystal clear again. And there might be a video coming up soon, so stay tuned. Well, it still did do a little bit, but it didn't do it as well as I wanted it to do. Now I can just grab some wax. I'm just gonna use some spray wax. Just spray it down, rub it in. And this wax made it look a little bit better, but it did not remove the haziness. So that is what it would end up looking like. If you guys enjoyed, be sure to drop a like. If you're not a subscriber, press the subscribe button, press the bell for more upcoming videos, and we'll see you guys next time.